So, what is Aristotle's definition of tragedy? A tragedy is the imitation of an action that is serious and also, as having magnitude, complete in itself, inappropriate and pleasurable language, in a dramatic rather than narrative form, with incidents arousing pity and fear, wherewith to accomplish a catharsis of these emotions. Let's break it down. The imitation of an action that is serious and also as having magnitude, complete in itself. This means that a good tragedy deals with one issue that is very serious. You can't have a tragedy about something trivial like breaking a fingernail. Magnitude here means great importance. The issue has to be very serious and very important. That's why a lot of tragedies deal with someone's death. Complete in itself means that the play must stick to the one issue, otherwise the audience will get lost in the plot. Inappropriate and pleasurable language. Ancient Greek tragedy had a chorus whose role was to comment on the action of the play. The chorus sometimes sang their part. Aristotle said that the language should be easy to listen to. It should have rhythm and also good harmony for the lines that were sung in a dramatic rather than narrative form. To narrate a story is simply to tell the story, like telling a friend what happened over the weekend. In a play, the story must be dramatized or acted out, with incidents arousing pity and fear. In a tragedy, the events or episodes in the play should lead the audience to feel very sorry for the main character, the tragic hero. The audience should also feel afraid for the hero as he moves towards a destructive end, wherewith to accomplish a catharsis of these emotions. As the play moves along, the events should build up the emotions of pity and fear. A catharsis is a purging or a cleansing of the emotions, a release of tension. In a tragedy, this is often a moment of revelation when the tragic hero falls flat on his face and the audience can finally explode.